Money laundering and financial crime are rising globally, with criminals constantly refining their tactics to evade detection. Financial institutions also face immense pressure, spending billions on anti-money laundering measures. Yet, traditional anti-money laundering systems often fall short, unable to match the sophistication of today's financial criminals. So, to tackle these issues, the Akira AI agentic platform has introduced AI agents for these compliance. These agents offer real-time monitoring, automated detection, and streamlined reporting, helping organizations quickly identify suspicious activities and effortlessly comply with the regulations. If we talk about the volume of transactions, it makes detection suspicious activity complex, with compliance teams struggling to sift through massive data, which leads to false alerts, high volume of non-risky alerts that drain resources and distract for genuine threats. So further complex financial crime schemes add another layer, as launderers use sophisticated methods, layering transactions to hide illegal activities. So to investigate these requires advanced analysis are required, especially with unstructured data like emails and logs that are tedious to process manually. Regulatory compliance is also a constant challenge, with evolving anti-money laundering regulations across jurisdictions. Falling behind risks several penalties and reputational damage, like reporting requirements demand timely, comprehensive reports. Delays in reporting gives criminal time to evade detection and expose organizations to regulatory scrutiny. So these challenges underscore the need for an AI-driven solution that improves efficiency, accuracy, and compliance in efforts. The agentic AI solution for anti-money laundering is organized into multiple stages, like first one is identification, investigation, and reporting, and done with the fleet of AI agents. In the identification stage, AI agents for data collection from multiple data sources. The AI agents for transaction monitoring, leveraging machine learning to analyze vast data sets, identifying suspicious patterns, and minimizing false positives by learning from historical data. So this enhances fraud detection and allows compliance team to focus on real threats. During the investigation stage, the AI agents for pattern recognition and alert prioritization analyze both structured and unstructured data, prioritize alerts, and assign real score to high-risk cases, making investigations more efficient and accurate. In the reporting stage, the AI agent for automated reporting generates detailed reports, which include suspicious activity reports with minimal manual effort. So these agents also provide explainability reports, adding transparency to flagged activities. Together, these AI agents streamline anti-money laundering processes, ensuring compliance and improving efficiency. Further, the Akira AI agentic solution for anti-money laundering compliance offers significant and measurable benefits. It enhances detection accuracy by reducing false positives by up to 40%, allowing compliance team to focus on genuine threats. Further, by investigating time is reduced by 50%, enabling faster response to high-risk cases. By automating monitoring and reporting, lower operational cost by 30%, while accelerating report generation by 3x, ensuring timely submission of suspicious activity reports. The system also minimizes non-compliance risk by 20% through automated regulatory updates. So with these efficiencies, compliance team can handle 25% more cases, optimizing resources and strengthening the defense across the organization.
Anti-money laundering (AML) compliance can be challenging, with flagged cases requiring careful analysis to ensure financial security and regulatory compliance. Manual investigation of suspicious activity can be time-consuming, increasing the likelihood of missing critical insights. Upon logging into the AML compliance platform, the user is presented with a dashboard displaying flagged cases identified by the AI agent for transaction monitoring. The user selects a case, which leads to the individual's profile. The AI agent for data collection has already gathered relevant data, providing a comprehensive view of the individual's financial activity. The pattern recognition and alert prioritization agent analyzes the data, highlights suspicious patterns, and assigns a risk score to prioritize high-risk cases. The user initiates a chat with the AI agent, who provides an overview of the case, explains potential risks, and answers specific queries, such as the likelihood of repeat patterns or the risk score calculation. Finally, The AI agent for automated reporting generates a suspicious activity report, SAR, which includes detailed explanations of the flagged activity. The user can download or submit the report to regulatory bodies with minimal manual effort. This concludes our demo. To transform your business with the power of Akira AI's multi-agent systems, visit our website and discover how, with agentic AI, you can unlock new possibilities for your enterprise.